Hello everybody. This video is for class 12th and in this I am going to solve some questions of DK Goel, calculation of interest on capital. So the name of the topic is calculation of interest on capital, right? The first question which I am going to do is from DK Goel. It's an ICC book, and the question number 2 from where actually the part of calculation is being started, I'm doing that question. So you can write here BE back exercise question number 2. I'll just read the question so that the people who are not having the book, they at least get to know what is the amount which is given in the book. The question is Girish and Satish are partners in a firm. Their capitals on 1st April 2017 were 5,60,000 and 4,75,000. So as soon as we read this, what we need to do is we also need to do that part, that how much he's saying. There are two people, Girish and Satish, right? On 1st April 2017, I'm writing the information so you can, if you don't have the book, you can at least understand that Girish has 5,60,000 and Satish has 4,75,000, right? These are the two amounts. And on 1st August, now August means June, July, August, right? So 1/8/2017 they decided that their capital should be 5 lakh each. Now we want that the capital should be 5 lakh for Girish and 5 lakh for Satish. Now if you can understand that from 560, how will 5 lakhs come? When you withdraw 60,000 rupees, and the person who was having 4,75,000, he wants his capital to be 5 lakh. That means he needs to introduce, that is additional capital, as I told in the previous video also. I'll share the link of the previous video in the description box so that the people who have not taken up the calculation part, they can just watch that video. Now it says the necessary adjustment is to be done and please calculate the interest on capital. Now I have already taught this thing to my students, and again I am telling you the formula is just beta interest on capital is equal to capital multiplied by rate upon 100 and into T. That is PRT over 100 as we normally call it. So P here is capital, R and T, right? Now for doing this, actually for Girish first, what will we do is here 5,60,000 is from 1st April up to 1st August. So please calculate the months: April, May, June, July. Not August, because on 1st August he has changed, right? That means for 4 months Girish kept 5,60,000 as his capital. And please check out what is the rate in the question. It is 6%. So 5,60,000 into rate is 6%, and time we have already calculated is 4/12. Just do the calculation. 5,60,000 into 6% and into 4/12. If it gives you 11,200 for Girish, right? And now doing for Girish the rest of the period. This was from 1st April to 1st August. Now from 1st August, how many months are left? August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. It comes out to 8. So 31st March. Now his capital is not 5,60,000. It is now 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs into 6% and into 8/12. Please calculate this. 5 lakh into 6% into 8/12. This gives you 20,000 rupees. Now just do the total. 20,000 and 11,200 will give you 31,200. You can check in the book. Answer is 31,200 for Girish. Now doing it for Satish. Right, here it was Girish and now we are doing the same thing for Satish. No need to calculate the months again, right? As you already know that 4,75,000 he has the previous principal, right? 6%. Again the dates are same, so don't count the months and don't waste your time. And from 475 he has made it to 5 lakhs. So 6% into 8/12. Just do the calculation part and you are done. 4,75,000 into 6% into 4/12. It comes out to 9,500. Then 5 lakhs into 6% into 8/12. It gives you 20,000. So 29500. This is the capital, interest on capital calculation of Girish and Satish. Now you can try the same question, that is the same type of question, that is question number 3. Now we'll be doing it thoda quickly. I'm just drawing a line to make a relevance that this is now question number 3 again of the back exercise. We'll not be doing illustrations in this class or in any of the class because the illustrations are already solved in the book. A child can check it out from there. Right? Now there are 3 partners, X, Y and Z. Their capitals on 1st April 17 were 5 lakh, 4 lakh and 3 lakh. Now on 1st July 2017, you should normally sum up the question on your notebook so that you understand what is the question trying to say. On 1st July 2017, they introduced further capitals. That means here they have introduced 1 lakh, this person, 80,000, the second one, that is Y, and the third person has introduced 50,000 rupees respectively. Now on 1st February, Y withdrew 15,000 from his capital. That means Y is withdrawing 15,000 from his capital, nobody else. Right? Now it says IOC is to be calculated at the rate of 8%. So here IOC rate is 8% for this question. First, we will take up the first person, that is X. Now the opening capital of this person is 5 lakh, rate is 8%, but this is not for the full year. Why? Because from April, May and June, this was kept only for 3 months. Right? The 5 lakh into 8%, we'll do all the calculations together. Okay, I'm just leaving that. So 5 lakh into 8% into 3 upon 12. Now from counting from July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Then he has added 1 lakh. That means I'll not write 1 lakh. I'll be writing 5 plus 1, that is 6. Now many people give out another formula कि आप पहले 5 लाख का पूरा ईयर निकाल लीजिए और 1 लाख का 9 मंथ्स, दैट्स ऑल टाइम ओके. बट विड्रॉइंग वाले केस में वो अप्लाई नहीं हो पाए. दैट इज़ वाई आई डोंट टेल चिल्ड्रन नॉर्मली टू डू दिस. वाई? बिकॉज यू कैन ऑब्वियसली डू, सम टीचर्स टीच दिस कि 5 लाख का आप 8% या 1 ईयर के लिए लगाएं और फिर 1 लाख का 9% के लिए लगा दें. बट ये तो ऐड होना था, देन इट इज़ ओके. बट व्हेन इट इज़ टू बी विड्रॉन, ये केस अप्लाई नहीं हो पाएगा, तो आपको तब डिफिकल्टी आ सकती है. तो वाई टू चूज़ अ situation or a method which will not lead to all the questions, so that's of no use. So what we need to do is we just need to see that 9 and 3 12 is coming. Yes. 4 8 12. Yes. 4 8 12. That means we are trying to complete full year. If a child or a person is a partner, obviously if a child is in 1 year he is studying, he needs to study for 12 months. So same here, if a person is doing the business, he needs to do the business for the full year. Right? So if he is there on 1st April, that means till 31st March he is there as per the question, if the question is silent. Now calculating the same thing for Y. Now Y has the opening capital as 4 lakh. So 4 lakh into 8% into, again Y to count months, it's 3 upon 12. So clearly from 1st April to 1st July. But then he has introduced 80,000. So it becomes not 4 lakh, it becomes 4 lakh 80,000 for 8%. But now you need to count the months. Why? From July, he has to do it up to only 31st January. That means 1st February means February is to be excluded. Now calculate July, August, September, October, November, December, January. It gives you 7 months. Right? Now he is going to withdraw 15,000. So 480 minus 15,000 will give you 4,65,000. Right? So 4,65,000 into 8%. And now from Feb and March, it gives you 2 upon 12. Now check. 7 and 3, 10. 10 and 2, 12. Yes, 12 months you have taken. Right? Now taking the third person, that is Z or Z. The opening capital was 3 lakh. So 3 lakh into 8% into 3 upon 12. And then he has made 3,50,000 into 8% and into 9 upon 12, because there is no further thing he has done. So now we'll just check out the answer with the book. 3 lakh into 8% into 3 upon 12 it gives me 3750, and 3,50,000 into 8% into 9 upon 12 gives me 21,000. So clubbing this will give me, you can check out that it is 24,750. Now for the second person, that is Y, 4 lakh into 8% into 3 upon 12. It is 8,000 for 3 months. Then 4,80,000 into 8% into 7 upon 12. It's 22400. And then it is 4,65,000 into 8% into 2 upon 12. It gives you 6,200 plus 22,400 plus 8,000. It gives you 36,600. Yeah, that's correct. Now the third person, 5 lakh into 8% into 3 upon 12. That gives you 10,000. And then 6 lakhs into 8% into 9 upon 12 gives you 36,000. So 36 and 10 gives you 46,000, right? Three lakh into 8% into 3 upon 12. I think there is some calculation mistake. Here it is coming 6,000. I feel like if it is 10 and 8, how can it be 3,000 here, right? 6,000 here, and 21 and 6 gives you 27. Yeah, now this is okay, right? So here we have done 2 questions of interest on capital. Now you can also try the fourth one, the fourth question. In this, it is actually converting from the closing capital to opening capital. I'll be making a separate video for that, right? Because children told me that, ma'am, please don't merge the topics, because some people are studying just the one topic one day. So it's better that they just watch this video, and you can, if you want, you can take the screenshot of this question and then you can note down in your notebook also. Thank you so much for watching. Please like my other videos also, and please try to watch the commerce videos also regularly so that you have good knowledge. I don't want that the people of class 12th should only watch the videos of class 12th. Anybody can watch that, right? It's a general information which is actually required for the commerce students. Maybe you have not understood the concept in the class because there were so many online classes and many people have not actually attended those online classes. So if you can take out the benefit, it's just free education. I just want that people should study. If we are, otherwise we'll just be teachers, right? And if we are trying to educate more people, that will give us more benefit, right? So please like my other videos also. Thank you so much.